Hi guys and welcome to Sugar and Spice by Radhika. Today I'm going to make my family's absolute favorite recipe, no-bake Nutella cheesecake. Now this cheesecake is absolutely easy to make. It tastes divine and is perfect for beginners. So let's get started. So you start off by melting 100 grams of butter. With about a tablespoon of Nutella. You can see our Nutella and butter is properly melted. So we can move on to our next step. So the next step is crushing the biscuits. Now you can take our regular Marie biscuits. You need about 250 grams of these, which is like a small packet. And crush them in a chopper or a blender, whatever you call it. Okay, so our biscuits are ready now. And as you can see, they resemble sand almost. Now what you need to do is add in the butter and Nutella mixture that you made and just add it all in. And we're going to blend it again. So now our mixture is ready and it looks like wet sand. So what we're going to do now is dip it in a springform tin. So the next step is making the base. For the cake you need a springform tin, which is basically a tin that has a loose bottom so that the cheesecake can easily slide out. Now you just take out the mixture that we made earlier and tip it all in. And just spread it on the base of your pan nicely and evenly using your spatula or the back of a glass, nice and smooth and really flat, so that your cheesecake has a really nice and firm foundation. Once your base is nice and smooth and even, you just set it in the fridge for about 10 minutes. So while our base is chilling in the fridge, we'll make the batter for our cheesecake. For that you need about 360 grams of cream cheese. So just dip it all in, everything, even the water. That's about 2 packs of cream cheese. Now what you're going to do is whisk it for about a minute until it's nice and fluffy. So now that our cream cheese is done, what we're going to do is add in about a half cup of icing sugar, which is around 60 grams. Just add it in and whisk it. Now once the icing sugar is properly combined, we will move on to our next step, that is my favorite step, adding the Nutella. So just pour your entire jar of Nutella into this, full jar. So just whisk it for about a minute or two so that the Nutella, cream cheese and the icing sugar is properly combined. Look at that. Nice and smooth. So our batter is done now and it looks like this, nice and creamy, and it tastes divine. So what we're going to do is take out our springform tin that we set in the fridge. We'll take it out, we'll pour the batter in and set the cheesecake for about 4 hours. So now our base is ready. As you can see, it's really nice and firm. So now we are ready to pour in our cheesecake batter. Just give your cheesecake batter one last mix with the spatula. Just mix it really well and just pour it all in, everything in there. So now that the batter is all in, just spread it in nicely and evenly. Just using your spatula, just make a really nice and smooth top. Just shake it and This will ensure that you have a really nice and smooth top. Now don't worry about the cheesecake having a few streaks of cream cheese in there. Just, you can use your spatula and just whisk it right on top, so don't worry about that. Now the cheesecake will go into the fridge for about 4 hours to set, and after that it's ready to eat.